So I started putting in the shifter today. I'm not going to put in the shift handle yet. I still have some stuff I got to do on the firewall and a little bit more prep on the floor. But this piece is where the brake pedal will go. And I'll probably close up this hole and this one. And then got to adjust that guy a little bit. Once I get those two pieces set, then I should be able to put in the shift linkage. Right now, I mean, everything's still loose, so I can work with it. But this is the shifter. Look at that thing. 32-inch shifter. So you should be able to technically see it from the windshield. That's how high up that thing is. But I don't know, that's pretty slick. That shifter with shipping from Lokar, $633. That's crazy money, but that's what the guy wants. And I actually think it's a nice touch. So anyways, I'll do another video down the road once I get the shifter set up in there. I mean, technically I'm ready. I've got the shift linkage there. This one here will be that'll be the other piece of the shift linkage. This aluminum piece right here. And then should be good to go. Anyways, later.